I knew he wouldn't like it. I knew he would not like it. Yip Yip came over, begging some sushi rice, and I'm like, there's no meat in it. It's just rice. So I gave him a little bit. He didn't like it. So I made some sushi rice. I don't know. So it's just cooked rice. I soaked it for 30 minutes. I soaked it for 30 minutes and then I cooked it. I didn't wash it. I know everyone says to wash it, but they're weirdos. Maybe I'll try that next time. And it looked like that my rice cooker actually worked because every time I use it, it would boil over. This time it didn't. So yeah, my web server is not working. I'm so pissed. I don't know what happened. I was setting up a mail server, and then I checked the mail server, and it wouldn't let me into the web server. But the web server I haven't used in 3 days, so I don't know if it was the mail server or something before. I don't know. But that was last night. I just had such a headache. So after you cook it, you put in sugar and vinegar. When I cooked it with oil and salt. And then I put in the rice vinegar and the sugar. And then I let that cool for a bit. And I ate a lot last night. Even though it's weird eating hot sushi. But whatever. But Yip Yip's mad because he likes for us to share food. Although he doesn't share food with me, I share it with him. You don't like it. Last night a friend called. I swear we actually talked for like 5 minutes. People are always so busy. Busy. Oh, that show's gonna piss me off. I can't even watch it. That A Million Little Things. This is gonna piss me off. There's a reason why people are busy, okay? There's a reason why. Your TV show is not gonna fix it. A TV show is just gonna make you feel sad and happy or something for 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and then you're done. You go back to your busy little life. Right, Yip Yip? Why don't you come up here? People like seeing you. Come on. Let me pick you up. Oh. Normally he runs away. No, he doesn't run away. He backs up, so I can't pick him up. But this time he actually jumped towards me. So yeah, no. I got a job offer in Lumberton, which is an hour and a half away, and I think it was going to be like manual labor or something. They told me to wear outdoor clothes. Like that's pretty scary. What is it? Let me see if I can look it up. Where was that? Be careful, okay? Don't fall. Is it this one? Because they called me up, and then it was during the storm. It's a car sales place, an auto auction. I don't even understand. I don't know. I'd never heard back from uh, the tutoring job in Mooresville, but that was 2.5 hours away. Um, I'm trying to work for Walmart, and they're doing a background check. And I already warned them about my background, but they might not talk to each other because I told one person, and she seemed like she was handling the overflow interviews, and she said, "Oh, that's not a big deal. If she doesn't tell the guy who's really in charge of it, then that's gonna kill me." Um, but she said it wasn't gonna affect me, and she's been working there for 23 years or something. So hopefully she knows something. But my guess is if it does affect it, she's not gonna take the fall. She's just gonna let me dangle. We just been watching lots of TV. We've been catching up on we've been watching the old Spider-Mans. I think it was from the 90s, was it? Let's go look. Oh, it says 2008? Wow. Let's see. Do. Yeah, 2008. Come on. From 1990 to 2010, I've been in a haze. I'm still in a haze. Let me be. We watched some really bad movies this morning, too. We watched Thank God It's Friday. Oh, God, that was awful. I mean, that movie, you're just waiting for Donna Summers to sing The Last Dance. So for like 2 hours, you're just sitting there waiting for her to sing it, which I didn't realize was written for that movie. But that it won what you call it, best song. So I got an award for that. I remember, said a weird thing was there was a girl in there, like Tony something, and she sang. She went and went to the band Berlin, and Terry Terry Nunn, and they got an award later singing. What's that song that she? Oh, Take My Breath Away. I think in Top Gun or something. So yeah, crazy stuff. This is I call it Japanese soy sauce. But no one, because there's a difference. There's a difference in soy sauces. I'm telling you, there's the thin bottles, and I call that the Chinese because it tastes like all of the Chinese restaurants you go to. I hate the taste of it. It just tastes bad. And then there's the mini bottles. That is the same as this. But you can't look at Kiko Man. You got to look at the shape of the bottle. These big fat ones, and the little ones with the caps. They have like red cap for regular, and I think green cap for low sodium. But I mean, soy sauce, that's all it is salt. I don't know why he's here. They're all just hanging out. But he's been getting sick all morning. Uh-oh. He's going to eat me. Probably the soy sauce on my fingers. Cats love salt. So crazy. So we've been trying to figure out this Unity thing, but I can't get the darn thing to open. It's crazy. Like it opens. I try to create a new project, and it just fails. And their tutorial is so screwed up. I was working one of the tutorials, roll a ball, and it didn't tell you what to do. It just said there's no, in the 2D one, it said there are errors and you had to fix that first. So I thought maybe that was the tutorial. Ugh, Unity just sucks. I'm sorry. Unity sucks. And I know it's probably a million lines of code, but it sucks. I don't know. Sorry, I'm just thinking about maybe seeing if I could get it on the project. I mean, if Unity sucks and everyone knows it sucks, and people use it because they don't want to program, and I'm an okay programmer, although I can't get the damn server to work, and I don't know why. What? Why do I have two? What the hell? I was playing this card game today, Stormbound, and it says that I have two accounts. I didn't want two accounts. For some reason, it just times out. I can ping it. I can ping myself. Oh, I forgot. In what you call it? In Linux, it'll ping forever. You got to do a ping minus C and do like 10. It says 10 packets transmitted, 10 received, 0 packet loss, blah, blah, blah. So it looks fine, right? What about here? Sorry if I lose you. Gotta put my screen on what you call it. Gotta put my screen on YouTube. I see that EVS Comics Pro Secrets. He just takes his camera and just faces the screen. All right, I'm pinging. It said ping statistics for my IP address. Packets sent 4, packets received 4. So ping works, but then trace route. I'm doing it twice because it's on this machine. So this is an outside machine. It's still, but and it just gives me stars. What if I say ping is fine, but trace route shows only stars? Probably should have said asterisks. Asterisks. Remember, for some reason, you got to pluralize it. I don't know why. All right, this one says you might want to disable your local firewall. Oh. Sorry. Oh, whoops. Using -I, capital I. Don't have permission. I got permission. What? Did that work? Oh, a networking class doesn't teach you anything about this. At least. What? All right, let's try this again. You told me to use echo. I don't know. Because okay. It says most firewalls block traffic outbound on ports other than TCP 80, which is websites, which is the default IP port for web traffic. I just said that. Traceroute in Linux default uses UDP. Ping use ICMP. So as your output, it seems that ICMP packets are allowed in your firewall, whereas UDP packets are blocked by your firewall. You can see responses to the question titled Trace Route and Ping from School Network. As per the comment, if this were in another realm machine and not working in this realm machine, I would suggest doing the following steps. Let me just see. All right, let's see. Sudo UFW status. It's active, okay. Inactive, okay. We just turned off the firewall. And no. My website usually pops right up. If it's taking this long, it's not going to work. I don't know what's wrong with it. They're saying that trace route of stars or asterisks means it's something's blocking it. If I just turn off the firewall, it's not the. Well, let's go see. Try trace route again. Nope, still blocked. What if someone got into the router? So, someone got into the router and blocked it that way. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But right now, I got a cat, and by law, if you have a cat in your lap, you can't do anything by law. By law, it's illegal. What is this? Wagon trail. It's a trail, right? Yeah, because it's blocking it off. It says TRAI. All right, that's it for us for now. Hopefully, we might be on later. I'm not sure. I'll take a shower, get cleaned up. Peace and love. We're out of here. Deuce to face. Hopefully, get what you want. If you don't get what you want, you get what you need. Pew, 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 pew. We are out of here. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Poor guy. Poor guy. He lives a hard life. All right. Deuces out. Bye-bye.